You spelt Russell wrong. I can always buy another dog.
Ready? Fetch! Sausage! Come on then! Get up! Ready?
Hello, Peter. Hello. And then I say yes. No, that's fine. I'll do it tonight. Thanks.
Why don't we go away somewhere together? We could go camping.
Camping. Jesus.
Pete, if you don't want to go, just say. Oh, don't take it out on him.
Fuck off! Get in here. Hello, Sally. Hey, how you doing? Is everything okay? Yeah, I just want to dictate some letters to you. Yes, I know what I said, but I can just as easily work from here.
Right, phone. Thank you.
What is that smell?
It's the smell of the countryside.
Stinks.
What about here?
No phones. I thought you said no phones.
Well, someone might ring about the dog. Oi! What are you doing?
We're here now. We're going to do this.
Let me finish.
Grab this.
Peter!
We're going to get this tent up.
I don't want to.
Yes, you do.
Ow! Get off me!
must I wait to cast these fears aside? I'm feeling out of shame. Everything's in black and white. Am I just a fake? A plastic silver plate that just looks nice. Because every time you